how to create a table in Microsoft Excel. I took this Excel worksheet from the previous tutorial, which is freezing pane. Now we're going to make a table out of it. So first, select this cell, click and hold Shift, go to the last data of the cell. You can click this and go down. Then go to this, hold Shift and click this cell, so it highlights the data. Then go to data layout. I think it's under insert, then click table. What it will do is create a table of the selected cells, then press OK. As you can see, it sorted the data into table. You can change the color of the table. Can choose from here under design. Let's say I choose this blue, or you can create a plain color. For this one, I'll just choose the blue, this one, the default. Now it creates a table. So what we can do with this, the advantage of table, let's say you want to find a certain portion or data in your Excel report. Let's say I want to look for this desk 136. What you can do is, let me freeze that table first. Freeze from here. We know this from the previous tutorial already, so I'll just freeze it from here. Freeze. So I can see the... So we're going to search for that, let's say, what was that? Desk 53. But you can, the advantage of table is you can search it, desk 53. Is it like this? Desk 50. The data will be populated, which what depends on the search. You can also, so the desk 53 is shown on the cell. So that's the advantage of table, creating table. So if you want to turn it back again, click this and select all and then press OK. What you can do also with the table is you can sort it by from A to Z, Z to A, or if there's some color, you can sort it by color. Let's say we want to sort it from A to Z. Since our description is only started with D, so it's sorted by number. Also, let's say we have a data of number here. We can sort it by number from smallest to largest or largest to smaller. Say smallest to largest. So it's sorted that way. And you can return it back. Let's say click this cell here. So it returns back. Okay, so let's say largest to smallest. So that's the purpose of creating a table in a cell, which is makes the report easier. Say we want to find something in the date in the cell as a particular data, we can do this by searching it. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope this helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you will be notified for the upcoming video tutorial. Thank you for watching.